It's also a frustrating war, for real combat provides these men with the highlights of their border stints. The rest of the time they wait.
Die troepe het uit die bos uitgekom, né? Dan het hy 'n 2 weke vakansie. Na die 2 weke doen hy 2 weke heropleiding and it's back to the bush. Wonderful.
Life in Ovambaland is not all work. Social activity at Ondangwa Air Force Base centers around possibly one of the most attractive little bars in the region.
You kind of went on pass and you got drunk and you had a jaw.
Jy het daai tyd gekry 2 coupons vir 2 biere en outomaties ontstaan daar dadelik 'n ekonomie rondom biercoupons.
Yes, my mum and dad did send letters and parcels. I mean, those were the things that you really looked forward to. Post used to come, I think, about once a week. So, you know, you sort of rationed yourself. You know, if there were biscuits in there, you didn't chomp them all in one day.
You don't know what's going to happen to your son. And there were times when we had very, very little contact with him at all. Eyesight isn't too... This is a letter that was censored, and in it they cross out that they don't want you to see what he said. Like here, lines there they don't want you to see. So you think, well, why can't we see that bit? There's only a little bit, and you sort of try and hold it up and have a look, and you can't see anything. They make sure you can't see it. One time, my mother actually wrote to him, the letter came back unknown. And obviously she phoned us and they, told us about this letter, and you think, well, what's happened to him? So you think, well, where is he if he's unknown? And that's when you really worry, you think, well, what's happened? Has he been killed? Or what happened? Has he been lost in the bush because they were in the bush?
Jy leef op 'n dagrooster eintlik, dat hoe's die weer? Gaan ek nat reën? Gaan ek koud kry? Gaan jy warm kos kry of moet jy uit jou rat pack, uit jou rantsoenpakkie uitleef? Is hulle kwaad vir ons? Is daar moeilikheid wat broei? Dis dit. Die mense by die huis was nie voorop in my gemoed gewees nie.
Can't really remember how long he was there, but it was long enough to make you heart sore, worry to whether he's going to make it or is he going to snap, because it was hard for these guys.
You just kind of did your day-to-day stuff. It's kind of weird, you didn't think ahead. You just knew you got up in the morning, you did what you had to do, and you went to sleep, and then you did the next day again and again.
And it just carries on and on like that.